Be ready. 10 seconds to go. Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, I have carefully gone through the Honorable President's speech, but I did not find even an iota of reference to the special category status that was promised to the state of Andhra Pradesh. Not only the special category status but certain other assurances also which were given by the government at the time of division of the state and subsequently do not find any place in the Honorable President's speech. Therefore, sir, I would like to bring the following points to the notice of the August House. In fact, I have proposed some of the amendments and I request the August House to add the same to the presidential address. In particular, Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, the special category status which has been assured to the state of Andhra Pradesh is in fact a sentiment of the people of Andhra Pradesh. It is a lifeline for them. Sir, I would like to explain the sequence of events even at the cost of repetition. I would like to repeat some of the issues in this regard because some of the members were not present at that time. Sir, I would like to recall the assurance given at the time of division of the state of Andhra Pradesh by the then Prime Minister of this country in the month of February 2014 that the divided Andhra Pradesh would be granted special category status. This was the assurance that was given by the then Prime Minister on the floor of this house, and many of the members were present at that point of time, and it was the UPA second government that was headed by Dr. Manmohan Singh. Further, sir, on 2nd March 2014, the Union Cabinet passed a resolution granting the special category status to the state of Andhra Pradesh, and the resolution that had been passed by the respected Union Cabinet on 2nd March 2014 was forwarded to the then Planning Commission, which was in existence at that point of time for implementation of the special category status. Sir, I have two legal questions, two questions of law. In fact, the author of the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act was here some time back. The question of law which I am referring to is, can a decision taken by the Union Cabinet go unimplemented? This is a question of law which I am raising in this August House. Sir, the decision that had been taken on 2nd March 2014 and which was forwarded to the then Planning Commission for implementation is not implemented even today. What is the sanctity of a Union Cabinet decision then? Sir, what is the legal recourse in such a scenario? The NDA government, which took over, subsequently refused to implement the decision that had been taken by the then Union Cabinet on 2nd March 2014 on the premise that the neighboring states are opposing it. On the one hand, the Honorable Minister says that the special category status is not Sanjeevani. On the other hand, the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister also says that the special category status is not Sanjeevani. On some pretext or the other, the NDA government is not inclined to implement the decision that had been taken by the then Union Cabinet. Further, the NDA government says that the 14th Finance Commission has stated that no further special category status should be granted to any of the states. Where is it mentioned in the 14th Finance Commission report? Is it stated anywhere in the report that no more special category status would be granted further to any of the states? To the best of my knowledge, the 14th Finance Commission has merely stated that it has not made any distinction between the special category states and the other states in so far as post-devolution revenue deficit grants are concerned. This is the only reference that has been made in the 14th Finance Commission's report. This NDA government has not implemented it on the pretext that the 14th Finance Commission has opposed it and the neighboring states are opposing it, and the Planning Commission, which was in existence at that point of time, never implemented it. Now the question is, what is the recourse left if a decision taken by the Union government is not implemented? Is this the regard that you are showing to the decision of the Union Cabinet? That is the question of law that I am raising on the floor of the August House. The former Prime Minister in the month of February 2014 stated that the special category status would be granted to Andhra Pradesh. In fact, my friend was in the opposition at that point in time. He stood up and asked that the special category status to Andhra Pradesh should be granted not just for 5 years, but it should be granted for 10 years. That was his line of argument. I really do not understand why the NDA government, after coming to power, has taken a U-turn and refused to grant the special category status to the state of Andhra Pradesh. Stop